Howdy folks, this is Bob with Kingdom Horse Trailers in Henderson, North Carolina, just off I-85 or US 1, Vance County, about 40-45 minutes north of Raleigh, Durham, North Carolina. This is a 2024 Shadow Kingmate 2-horse straight load, Kingmate 12, meaning it is 12 feet on the floor. This particular unit does not have a separate tack room. So it is going to be the most economical 2-horse straight load that we offer. Very lightweight. We'll go over some details in the description about the trailer itself, but it is 6'4" wide, 7.5 feet tall, and again 12 feet on the floor. Very manageable with even an SUV or small truck. Do have the drop window at the head with the bars that come down. Leave them up when trailering. This is the Gunmetal Grey with silver graphics package. Of course, we've got our Dutch doors open here, 50/50 Dutch doors at the top. You can drive down the road with those open. They do tie back. And there's our ramp with the easy ramp system. Very simple, fairly lightweight for a solid aluminum ramp. Here is our 2-horse straight load. Of course, you can open up, being the butt bar, 84 inches from butt bar up to breast bar. Do have a swinging head wall. Your divider does move left or right to accommodate loading, or it can be taken out completely. Got those huge sliders. I believe they're 53 inches on the rear. And as you see up in the front, no distinct separate tack room. For those of you that are just getting into trailering or want to run around trailer or a lightweight aluminum unit, we do have the LED lighting package in this, brush box, matching spare. Your saddle boss saddle racks are removable. There's actually room for a third. There's that swinging head on the divider. Generously sized stalls in this 2-horse Kingmate 12. All aluminum except for the treated wood floor, which does carry a 20-year warranty from the manufacturer. Shadow offers a 7-year structural warranty on all their trailers. There's your exterior load light switch. Dutch doors do tie back. Again, that large slider window. And here's tack room door or exit door if you load and walk off. It is a slider, so you do even get more ventilation. Got it in a couple different colors here on site. White, platinum, charcoal gray. Got another one in the silver platinum. Do have them with the additional tack wall. Just a regular Kingmate 2-horse straight load. Got several over there, including an 8-foot tall draft. So give us a call, 919-930-6127. www.nchorsetrailers.com. Open Tuesday through Saturday, 9 to 5. Kingdom Horse Trailers.